I feel very tired today.
There is so much work in the house.
I don't know where to start.
Mom, can I play now?
Oh no. I broke my favorite bowl. This is my favorite bowl. I can't believe it.
Mom, are you okay?
I am just very stressed right now. I
Raquel.
You look very tired, Nancy.
I did not rest at all today.
You should take a break.
Well, I cannot stop. There is too much to do.
Why is Mom so sad? So sad. She works all day for us. I think we should help her. Yes, that is a good idea.
Team, let's help Mom together.
What can I do, Dad? I can clean the table.
I will cook dinner.
I will pick up the toys.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
We are helping you, Mom.
Oh, that is very kind of you.
Look, I am cleaning my toys.
You can sit down and relax.
I feel a little better now.
Don't worry, we are here. We are a team.
Thank you, my children. Thank you, my children.
Ugh. This room is very messy. We will clean it step by step. I will put toys in the box. I will wipe the table.
I am cooking dinner now.
You are doing a great job.
This is harder than I thought. Yes, but we can do it.
Cooking takes time and care.
I feel proud of you.
I feel a little tired. Let's take a short break.
Thank you for helping me. Help Diane.
We are not finished yet.
I will continue. I will clean the floor.
Dinner is almost ready.
It smells very good.
I am proud of myself. Me too. I
I feel better now. But I still feel stressed.
Why are you stressed?
There is always too much work.
We can help every day. You don't have to do everything.
Really? Really?
Yes, we share the work.
That makes me happy.
We are a family.
Sometimes I feel very tired and sad.
Mom, don't be sad. We love you very much.
You are not alone.
Thank you. I feel emotional. I almost cried.
It is okay to cry. We are here with you.
Take a deep breath.
I feel much better now.
Dinner is ready.
Let's eat together.
We worked terrazas. We worked very hard.
This food looks delicious.
I helped make dinner. Oh, always, always, oh. We did it together.
Teamwork is important.
So, cheers. I am very proud of you.
I am happy to help.
After dinner, we clean again.
I will wash dishes. I will dry them.
I will clean the kitchen.
You are amazing.
We are learning. Helping is not easy.
But it is important.
I feel relaxed now.
Mission complete!
Thank you for helping me.
We will help you tomorrow. You are not alone.
We are always with you.
I feel very lucky.
Family means sharing and helping each other.
That is true. I love you all. We share work and we share love.